Good morning, students. Students, in previous video I had explained you all about Darky, who is a black horse, and he was describing everything related to his early home. It means where he was staying with his mother and the name of his mother. Do you remember, children? Yes, the name of his mother is Duchess in this story. But what Duchess Master used to call her? As Old Pet. So Duchess Master used to call her Old Pet or sometimes simply Pet also. Okay. Now I have explained you till soft and bright. Let me take that line. Here, soft and bright. Okay. Further, I would like to proceed now with the next paragraph. So let's start with the reading of the paragraph. When I was 4, my master broke me in. Here, broke me in meaning trained and disciplined me. Okay. I felt very terrible. Terrible means very unpleasant, causing great shock or injury. When a thick piece of steel was pushed between my teeth and tongue and held fast by leather straps. Now in this paragraph, Darky has grown up and his age is 4, and he got trained by his master and learned all the discipline system by his master. Due to his training, he got shocked when a thick piece of steel was pushed between his teeth and tongue, and that fastened by leather straps. I want to show you this leather strap. Here, children, you can see in the picture that how the leather straps fastened by the master. Okay. Now where horses used to live and all the experience by Darky was very terrible, means it was very unpleasant for him as it was hurting him. Now back to the paragraph. As a further part of my training, I was put in a field with sheep and cows. This field was next to a railway line. I shall never forget the first train that ran by. I thought it dreadful. Dreadful means causes fear. But the cows went on eating quietly. They didn't even raise their head as the frightful thing went roaring past. Eventually means in the end or at last, I found that this terrible creature, here terrible creature is using for train, never came into the field or did me any harm. Since then I am as without fear at a railway station as in my own stable. Here in this paragraph, Darky is telling that while his further part of training he has put in a field with sheep and cows, and next to the field there was a railway station. You can see here in the second line, the next to the field there was a railway line, or we can say railway station was there. So one day, one scary thing happens to Darky. When he was in the field, the first train that passed over the railway track that made him frightened. That is, he was full of fear, as he thought that train will come on the field. But when he looked around, the cows were there and they didn't even raise their heads and they were eating quietly. You can see and guess by the picture that how fearlessly they were eating, how fearlessly cows were eating, and this black horse, it means Darky, is running over here. So they don't even care about that horrible thing went by making a loud noise. Eventually means in the end, he found that train can't come into the field and cannot do any harm to anyone. After this, Darky was used to with the sound and passing of the train, and fearlessly he was on the field or at a railway station as he used to live in his own stable. Now, we will move to the next topic of the story, that is my new master. When I was about 5, I was sold to a man called Squire Gordon. Squire is formerly, Squire, the meaning of square is formerly, or a title given to a man of high social status who owned land in a country area. So here my new master was as kind as the first one. There was a discussion between him and his wife as to what I should be called. 2 names, Ebony and Blackbird, were suggested. Then the wife thought of Black Beauty and Squire Gordon liked it. Thus I was given my new name. So here Darky is telling now that when he was 5, that is at the age of 5, he was sold to a man. What children? Darky, that is a black horse name, was sold to a man at the age of 5, and the name of the man who now became the master of Darky is Squire Gordon. You can see in the first line that I was sold to a man called Squire Gordon. Now here Darky has mentioned the nature of his master. His master was very kind like his first one. Here my new master was as kind as the first one, that is previous one. Darky is now listening the conversation between, or I can say the discussion that is going between Gordon and his wife about what children? What Darky should be called. What should be the name given to Darky? Previously his name was Darky, but now the new name should be given. So they were discussing about this. It means Darky first master used to call him Darky, but now he is with new master and the name should be given. So they suggested 2 names, that is Ebony and Blackbird. But suddenly his wife thought of another name, and the names she suggested was Black Beauty and Squire Gordon. That is, her husband liked this name Black Beauty for their horse. So at last the name given by his master was what? Black Beauty. Now come to the next paragraph. That is, Squire Gordon had 2 other horses, Ginger and Merrylegs. At first, Ginger didn't like me. She was a beautiful brown mare, but she used to bite and kick. The next day when Ginger was out, Merrylegs said, this paragraph means Ginger and Merrylegs were the 2 other horses that Squire Gordon have. Earlier, Ginger was not liking to Black Beauty. Ginger was a beautiful mare and also used to bite and kick. One day when Ginger was out, Merrylegs told to Black Beauty. What Merrylegs said we will see in the next paragraph. Don't be angry with Ginger. People were very cruel to her when she was young. They used to flog her. The unkind treatment gave her bad temper. But she works hard and you will soon begin to like her. So Merrylegs is telling to Black Beauty not to be angry with Ginger for the behavior whatever she is doing, like biting and kicking to other horses, as intentionally all these things she is not doing. What she is not doing? She is not doing intentionally, like biting and kicking. She became like this because of the cruelty of the people done on her. When she was young, no, people used to beat her. So this unkind treatment compel her, or I can say forces her to lose her anger very easily. But after spending few more days and by looking her hard work, that is Ginger hard work, very soon you are going to like her. So next paragraph. And Merrylegs was right. Soon Ginger and I became good friends. We used to pull our master's carriage together. And the words of Merrylegs become true. Ginger and Black Beauty, they too become friends, and that too very good friends. They even started to pull their master's carriage together. Okay, next paragraph. One day my master harnessed means here a set of straps and fittings by which a horse or other animal is fastened to a cart, and that is controlled by its driver. And here his dog cart means a light two-wheeled horse drawn carriage. Okay, dog cart to take him to town. On our return trip, night had come and a storm had risen. One day what happened? Black Beauty master decided to go to a trip. So his master controlling the carriage, here it is given, harnessed me to his dog cart means fitted the straps by which a horse fastened to a cart, and that can be controlled by its driver. Now, storm means here children very bad weather or strong winds, etc. Now his master decided to come back. Okay, during their return trip what happened? They met with a storm, very strong wind, means suddenly a storm rise up. Okay, now continuing with the next paragraph. I was terrified when a huge oak crashed right in front of us and blocked the road. Here the meaning of oak is a tree with tough hard work. Okay, hard wood. Crashed, fell noisily and violently. Right, exactly or directly. We turned and went the other way along the riverside. Riverside is ground along the side of the river. Okay, we came to a narrow bridge, but when my feet touched the bridge, I felt sure there was something wrong. My master shouted to make me move. He used his whip. Whip here means strip of leather fastened to handle for striking an animal or a person. You can see over here in the picture that Black Beauty master is holding a stick for controlling over the horse, but neither words nor whip could make me move. Okay, now here when Black Beauty was moving, suddenly a huge tree fell in front of them by making scary noise. That was very much terrified for him, and the road was blocked. Then they decided they here is for what? I said then they decided. It means they means master and Black Beauty decided for what? Decided to make other way, that is along the river side, and they reached to a narrow bridge. As Black Beauty feet touched the bridge, he understood that something is wrong, so he was not stepping forward. He didn't move his step, even his master shouted at him, and also used his whip, that is the strip, to control him. Now, the next paragraph. Then a man came out yelling that the bridge had given. Yelling means shouting. Had given here it means children, broken down. Given means broken down. In the middle, I shall never forget my master's loving words of gratitude and the supper he gave me that night. Then suddenly a man was coming through that bridge by crying sharply and saying that the bridge has broken down in the middle. You can see over here in the picture that a man is coming from the other side. Okay, and the bridge also, the condition of bridge also you can see. So that man was saying that the bridge has broken down, you can't go from this way. Now, then this master realized that Black Beauty was right, means whatever he was telling, he was not stepping his feet forward, it means he was right. So, he thought that he was right, and on that night his master expressed thanks to him, means words of gratitude, shows gratitude to him, and also gave supper to him. Supper means meal to him. Okay, that is Black Beauty master gave meal to him that was unforgettable. Now come to the last topic, that is the end of happy days. Then came a sad day. Our mistress was taken seriously ill and had to go away to God's home. Our happy days with her and our kind master were over. Ginger and I were sent to live with a friend of our master. It was a very sad moment for us when we were handed over to our new coachman. Our master came round to pat and speak to us for the last time. His voice sounded very sad. I held my face close to him. That was all I could do to say goodbye. And then he was gone. I have never seen him since. Since means from then until now. Now students, a day came which was very sad. That is, Black Beauty master wife was very much sick and she was no more. Black Beauty was reminding everything of her kindness. Now Ginger and Black Beauty sent to live with a friend of his master, and it was a very sad moment for him when Black Beauty and Ginger had to leave and were handed over to the new coachman, or we can say to their new master. Last time they heard the voice of their master, and the voice sounded was very sad, and that was the last time Black Beauty seen to his master. Now come to the last paragraph. Unfortunately, that is not lucky. Our new mistress was very different from Square Gordon's wife. She was a very proud and thoughtless woman. She made life quite hard for us. We often thought of the loving Square Gordon and his gentle wife, how much they cared for our comfort and happiness. But now all that seemed a sweet dream that had ended forever. Now, this time they were not lucky, as their new mistress was very much different from the previous one, that is from Square Gordon's wife. They were not happy with their new master, and it became very difficult for them to survive over there. Oftenly they used to remind the time they spent with Square Gordon and his gentle and kind wife, that how much they cared for them and think of their happiness and provided comfort to them. But now everything changed and seems like it was a sweet dream and ended forever. So students, the moral value we are getting through this lesson is to be kind to all animals. They also have feelings. Now, Black Beauty by Anna Sewell is an animal autobiography which explains the importance of kindness towards animals. Now, this explanation of this chapter, this lesson is completed. We will continue with the new lesson in next video. Thank you, students.